Welcome to JH. Today I will demonstrate how to color grade using Premiere Pro. Begin by selecting your video clip and navigating to the Lumetri color panel. If it isn't visible, click the small arrow icon to locate and open it. Once inside, open the Basic Correction tab to modify your white balance and saturation. To make the image warmer, move the slider to the right or shift it left for a greener tint. You can also boost or lower the saturation using its dedicated slider. Next, expand the light section to increase the contrast. After that, try lowering the shadows and whites to prevent the image from looking overexposed. Use the bypass toggle to compare your progress with the original footage. If you want more style, head down to the Creative panel. Here, you can apply various presets or upload a custom one. For instance, I will select a monochrome look, then increase the intensity, add a film fade, and apply a slight blur. Further down, you will find the curves section. This tool controls your blacks and highlights. Dragging the line upward brightens the shot, while pulling it down makes it darker. Check the before and after one last time. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.